Good afternoon, students in Anthropology 24000 and the Black Studies section that's combined with it, and the Women's Studies group. This is the class Peoples of Africa. I'm Professor Samad Matias, and I've certainly missed being with the class, but we know that CUNY, like other institutions, had to close down all classes, regular classes that is, because of the COVID-19 virus emergency. As much as, of course, we miss each other, we have to prioritize our safety and our health. That's number one. Anything else, unfortunately, has to be made secondary, including what happened at our school. But we're carrying on. The administration has done everything possible to make arrangements for us to carry on despite this emergency. All right, this class is, of course, about Africa, and although Africa is in the news, it, like the United States, is mostly in the news this week because of the virus. For once, an epidemic such as this did not start in Africa, but it apparently is all over the world by now. So please make sure when you do our usual weekly checking on how Africa, and in particular the place of your research in Africa, is in the news, find at least one article about the place of your research and another article about one of its neighboring countries or any other country, or a second article about the place of your research is also permissible. So when you get the articles, do the usual, follow the format strictly that was distributed to everyone in class. Secondly, we will be reviewing the research paper and finding out from all of you how your research for that paper is progressing. Be sure to send me your final outline for that paper, title question and 6 sub-questions, each 1 line or less, following the format that was distributed. Also, send me a list of the sources you have found and are using for that paper. And finally, start to put it together in the distributed format. And when we come back, after the short break, when we come back on the 2nd of April, we will be scheduling people to make their exposés or short oral summaries of their research papers. So if you have any questions or other concerns, please let me know. Send them in brief outline form to my Blackboard or to my City College email account. So above all, I hope that you and your families will, as I said before, stay well and be very careful with the guidelines given out by the city, etc., but also careful with your diet. Try to do as much exercise as you can, even if it's only indoors, but not too close to other people. And also be very, very careful indeed about the environment around you. But in addition, think of solutions, look in our books and find out natural things that may be used, such as cheap green limes, which are much stronger than lemons and can be used to season fish, meat, to sprinkle on salad, and to make into a tea or a cool drink. But at this time, to try to maintain our immune systems at their highest level, warm drinks are healthier than cool ones, from what doctors tell us. All right, so Please be extremely careful and don't think that young people are immune from this. That's what many people thought at first, but all evidence shows that now more and more people of younger ages, like 20 to 40 or 40 to 60, have come down with the disease, and some of them unfortunately have also died. They don't know if this is because there is a second strain that seems to be more dangerous for younger people, or whether the increased stress, various types of stress, this crisis itself, and in addition, perhaps losing jobs, all kinds of things that are happening now might have made younger people more vulnerable. But in addition, they're doing more testing